back to the channel. It's your girl Carla the Natural. So you guys, I have been sponsored by Formulate.co, and as a part of that sponsorship, Formulate.co has partnered with me to bring you guys a natural hair care giveaway. So I'm really excited because you guys know I'm still doing my 350 subscribers giveaway. Don't worry, sis, that is on the way as well. But this is a surprise giveaway and you guys deserve it. And I'm super excited to be able to bring this to you guys. So Formulate.co is a hair care company that individualizes your hair care experience. So what they do is they have their own chemists, their own lab technicians that work with you to focus on what your hair care goals are, what's your density, your porosity, your texture, your hair color. Do you have dyed hair? Do you have natural hair? Do you have relaxed hair? They take all that into account and they craft your own customized hair care set. So as you would imagine, this is so exciting, especially for us naturals. We tend to be sticklers on what kind of ingredients we see in our products. And what Formulate does is it works with you to make sure that the things that you're putting in your hair are healthy, natural ingredients. They have the option to have all vegan products, no harsh parabens or sulfates in your products. And they really pride themselves in offering lots of natural ingredients that will go into your hair care product. And you guys, you get to work directly with the chemist to craft your hair care regimen. So you guys, I think that this company is so unique. I've never heard of anything like it. And I love the fact that I was able to go in my app and talk to my chemist and discuss what my goals were for my hair and what kinds of chemicals that I wanted to avoid, what things that I thought would be healthy for my hair. Also, something amazing, you get to choose what smell you want your products to be. I think that's just the coolest things because sometimes we have our favorite products, but they just smell awful and we're like, man, my hair works so well with this, but the smell is just a lot. You don't have to worry about trying out products that aren't going to work for your hair. Formulate puts in the work beforehand so they know exactly what's going to work with your hair, what's going to help you achieve your natural hair goals. And Formulate uses natural ingredients to craft this experience for your hair. So loves, I really hope you're as excited as I am. So here's how you enter this giveaway. Go ahead and head over to my Instagram at Carla the Natural. You guys, you will find the link in my bio to enter the giveaway. If you guys are not on Instagram, I will put the link below in the description box so that you can go ahead and have access to it as well. So that link will take you to my personalized Formulate.co page where you will be able to see my hair care goals, my customized formula set, and you will also be able to enter my giveaway. Be sure to tell all your friends about this giveaway. I think this is going to be an amazing experience. And make sure that you create an account because you will get $5 off your first order. This giveaway is going to be open until January 7th. So about a month from now, this giveaway will close. So make sure you share this video, you tell all your friends about it, and you guys enter the giveaway. So you will have the chance to win your own customized hair care set. As always, love you guys.